Hi, my name is Chris Eaton. I work for IBM. I'm one of the DB2 product managers for DB2 on the Linux, Unix, Windows platform. Work out of Toronto. Also a DB2 technical evangelist. And what I thought I'd do today for you is kick off this IDUG Video Competition. Even though I'm not eligible to win any prizes or win any categories because I work for IBM, I thought I'd do a little video for you just to give you an example of what you might want to do. I'm going to actually install DB2 without touching the keyboard, without touching the mouse, without touching the computer at all. So I'm going to get DB2 installed in about 3 minutes or less and not touch anything. Well, I'm not touching anything on the computer anyway. And so what I've got here is my little contraption I've set up using my son's Connects, a couple funnels, and some of my son's magnetic set, little ball bearings. So I'm going to actually install DB2 here. I'm going to install DB2 Express-C right out of the box. I just put the CD in the drive, and so here we go. First, pops up when you put it in the drive. It pops up the welcome page. So I have to hit enter. So I'm going to throw the first ball bearing into the enter funnel. Now it's going to ask me to accept the license agreement, and for this one I actually have to hit the down arrow to move to I accept the license terms. So let me just drop one on my little contraption here. There we go. I just move the arrow to the I accept. Let's throw it in the next button. I can choose a typical, a custom, or a compact, but of course if I'm Express-C, probably typical is right for you. So hit enter. Now it asks me, do I want to actually install it, or do I want to also save a response file so I can install it again later using that customized setup that I made. I'll just hit next. It's asking me for the path I want to install DB2 in. I'll take the default. Again, this is an Express-C installation. That's probably the best one. Now it asks me if I want to use a local system account for the administrator, or do I want to set up my own user ID and password. Here I'm going to actually use the local system administrator, but to do that I have to use the tab key a few times. So I'm going to use my tab funnel and hope this works out. Tab once, tab twice, tab 3 times, hit a tab one more time, and now I have to hit the down arrow. I'll use my little down arrow hitter. I've got that. Now I want next. I'll hit enter. Hit the enter key. Oh, looks like I missed it that time. Let's hit the enter key one more time with enter. There we go. And what's the name of the DB2 instance? Of course I'm going to call it DB2. And then I'll hit finish. That's it. Now it's going to install DB2 for me. It's going to set everything up, and while it's setting up I'm going to make a little pyramid out of my Connects. And we'll fast forward a little bit through this, but it won't take too long. And there you go. DB2 is installed. Sample database is created. And on the time it took me to create this little whatever this is, I just put these pieces together. That's how long it took to actually install DB2 and get the sample database created. It launches you right to the DB2 Express-C page, so you can see how to get started with DB2. And I hope that was at least a little bit enjoyable for you. It was a little bit fun for me. And now go out there and create your own little video for the IDUG Video Competition.